This is the simplest navigation bar we're going to design in this video. As you can see, we have a well-positioned logo, a neatly aligned menu, and this button. Notice how the button zooms in and out when I hover over it. Before we continue, I'd like to ask a small favor. If you're watching this video, please subscribe to this channel to encourage me to release more tutorials on website development and other amazing content. Also, like this video if you find it helpful. Now, let's get started. Make sure you create your HTML file and CSS file. At your title, link your CSS file with the HTML. Write the below HTML code carefully. Make sure you never miss any word. Here is our logo. The menu follows this way. We already have this code for the body. Make sure you write it. Here's the class called Navbar. Now, let's style it. This is the background image for the site. Make sure to type the same thing and link your background image as well. The color gradient will add a black shadow to the background image to reduce the contrast. Let's style our logo. Let's start styling the main navbar. This transition we are adding will make the hover effect appear smooth when you point the mouse at it. Now let's style the subscribe button. The transform, scale 1.3. Property is what creates the zoom in and zoom out effect when you hover over the button. Let's go through the code to ensure everything is correct. Now, let's check out the results. Nice. So guys, this brings us to the end of today's tutorial. If you found it helpful, click the like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to do so. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for the next tutorial. Click on the next video to learn how to master your CSS skills.